everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbisani. Hope you are doing great. As you know, in the month of January also there is one job released as a consultant job, right? And today also I'm gonna talk about the same kind of a job, that is the consultant job, right? So stay tuned with the video till the end. Yes, it is the consultant job that is out in the National Institute of Nutrition, and the other post is the project scientist. Total number of vacancies are 17 in number, that means 17, right? Now the qualification they required is the BDS, MBBS, MSc, PhD, MD, BTech, MBA or MTech. The last date is the 6th February of this year. Job notification releases the information for the hiring of the 17 project scientist or the project consultant post, which has been released on the official website, which is shown on your screen. Candidates who are planning to start their career with the National Institute of Nutrition can have a walk-in application on or before 6th February of this year. As I talked earlier, there are total 6 posts. So if we talk about the post as well as the qualification in detail, so the first post is the project consultant medical, right? The professionals with MD, that is in community medicine, or the SPM or the PhD in relevant subject with 5 years of the experience in the community or the field studies or the published papers in index journal, or retired government employee with the requisite educational qualification drawing pay, that is in the PB3 rupees 15,600 to 39,100 plus GP of rupees 6,600 at the time of retirement, and having the adequate working experience in the community or field or the studies. The qualification in detail, that is for the project consultant data science expert professional having BTech, MTech, MBA or the MBBS qualification with the experience in data science or the data visualization or the data management in handling the data related to the community or the field studies and published papers, or the OR retired government employee, drawing pay in the pay band rupees 15,600 to 39,100, grade pay of rupees 5,400 at the time of retirement, and having at least 20 years of the experience in handling data management, data analysis, data visualization, as well as related to the community field or the studies. The third post with the qualification in detail, that is for the project scientist C non-medical biostatistics. Candidate should possess the first class master degree in MSc statistics or the biostatistics from the recognized university with 4 years of the experience, or second class MSc plus PhD degree in the statistics from the recognized university with 4 years of the experience. If you are a BDS, then have a BDS degree from which is recognized from the DCI with 5 years of the experience in biostatistics after BDS. Yes, BTech in the relevant engineering subject with 6 years of the experience in the data science or data management after degree. Next post is the project scientist B medical, that is MBBS degree with 1 year research or teaching experience, or MD in microbiology or pathology or PSM from the recognized university. With the qualification in detail, that is regarding the project scientist B physical anthropology, the first class master degree in the physical or biological anthropology from the recognized university with 2 years of the experience in the community field, or second class master degree in physical or biological anthropology with the PhD from the recognized university. Now the most important part is apna sapna money, that is the salary detail. And the salary is for the project consultant medical, the salary is rupees 1 lakh per month. For the project consultant data scientist expert or the data science expert is rupees 70,000 per month. Project scientist C non-medical biostatistics, they require rupees 51,000 per month. Project scientist B medical, their salary is rupees 61,000 per month. Project Scientist B Physical Anthropology, their salary is rupees 48,000 per month. Definitely age limits are also there according to the post. So if we talk about the age limit for the medical project consultant, age limit is 70 years. For the project consultant data science expert, again 70 years. For the project scientist C non-medical biostatistics, age limit is 40 years. For the project scientist B medical, age limit is 35 years. For the project scientist B physical anthropology, age limit is 35 years. Definitely age relaxation is also there. 3 years for OBC and 5 years for ST/SC. Selection process is based upon the walk-in interview. Now the most important part is how you can apply for this vacancy. Interested and eligible candidates should bring all the original certificate of their educational qualification from SSC onwards, no objection certificate from the present employer compulsory, experience Aadhaar card, community and PWD certificate if applicable. For availing the age relaxation, passport size photograph along with one set of the photocopies of the certificates duly assisted can be self-assisted also. For the verification at the time of interview, which is on the address that is CCU ICMR Hyderabad, Telangana. And the walk-in interview will be 6 to 8 February of this year, right? So that's all about the today's vacancy that is in Hyderabad. That's all about the today's vacancy. Hope you like this vacancy. Then hit the like button to this video. Along with that, subscribe to my channel. And if you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Thank you for watching.